Hey, in this video, I'll show you a very simple way on how to increase your touch sensitivity on your iPhone screen. There's a few things you need to do, but first hit the like button because it really helps me out. So you want to click on settings on your iPhone. It's the same thing for an iPad, by the way. You want to go down to the option of accessibility, which is right below general. You want to click on it, and there you want to go down and select this option called touch under physical and motor. Here you want to go to haptic touch, press on the display using different lengths of time to reveal content preview section and contextual menus. So you can change this duration to fast and slow. Basically, it lets you adjust the time it takes to reveal content previews, action and contextual menus. And you can test it here by how fast or how slow you have to be. Like, it really takes me some time. I'd rather have it on default, but you can change it to whatever you like. If this video helped you out, give me a like. If you're new, subscribe and comment down below which country are you watching this video from. See you next video.